how to customize Wix blog layouts. So you can see right here that I have two blogs right here, which is actually different from each other. So let's head over and then select one of them. And you can head over and customize their actual layout. So I actually use some templates, or you can also use Wix AI in order to make an actual template for you. So from in here, you should be able to see the dashboard of the blog that you have created. Now, if you want to edit out its particular layout, what you can do in that case is you need to head right click on this edit site option right here. Click on this right here, and then this will open the Wix website editor. So as you can see, it has opened in here a new tab, which actually has a Wix website editor. So just wait for this to finish the loading process in order to successfully change or customize its actual layout. So here is our blog. So you can head over and then click on this AI tools right here. Now scroll down until you can see this theme assistant. So head over and click on that, and then it will open this. So you can head over and change layout. So for example, change the layout into something that you want. So let's put in your change layout in green scenery. So let's head over and then add that right here. So you have the option to add anything that you want for this case as well. So just click on this arrow icon right here in order to send this to the chat, and then the theme assistant will take care of this right here. I can change how the theme color, and would you like to use colors for your logo, its party colors, and a lot more for this case. So as you can see, they have a chat right here. So you just need to head over and then agree to their idea, and then click on this next right here in order to successfully send it to them again. Now this will load again, and then as you can see, this will customize the color theme, and you have in here the accent colors, the base colors, and then head over and then just click on this again if you want to change it up. You can also change some other colors in here as well. So just choose which one you want and apply it, and then click on this change color theme. And then from in there, just put in here describe your business, and then just change it. So that's how you customize Wix blog layouts. Hope you help.